I spent over $20,000 in mentors. And the thing that made me profitable was not the technicals. It was their feedback. It was the trade plan reviews, the journal breakdowns, the accountability for the psychology part. And now you can all get that for free with AI. Let me show you. This is episode 18 in the data building layer of the trader pyramid, where we're going to use this mentor for data building, the trade plan, and for psychology. No time to waste. Let's go. To build this AI mentor, we go to Claude.ai. If you make an account, you get 3 choices. We're going to stick with the free version for now and see how far we can go. Put in your name. And now we have a fresh Claude account. And what we'll do is go to projects. We're going to make an AI mentor. So we're going to new project. What's the name? Is Trade Mentor. Create project. And what we're going to do is 3 things. We're going to open 3 chats. One is for a trade plan review. One is for a journal analysis. And the other one is for an accountability partner, the psychology part. Basically the part that a normal mentor is supposed to give you. So first, the trade plan review. It doesn't really matter on what model you are. Let's stick with the default one. And I will give it its first instructions. You are a senior trade mentor reviewing a student's trade plan. Be direct and honest. Don't sugarcoat it. Review this trade plan with A+, B, C, and D. There are many sections to grade. And if you want this prompt, I'll leave this prompt inside my free Discord. Link to that inside the description. And we're going to build a mentor reviewing a trade plan. If we have that, for each section, give the grade and then give an overall score out of 10. And list the top 3 things to fix first in order of how much money they are costing those mistakes. Here's the trade plan. You obviously already have a trade plan. If you don't have a trade plan, later in the futures mentorship, I'm going to break down how to build an exact trade plan. And for now, let's put in a trade plan one of my students gave me before I gave feedback. So here's the trade plan. Instruments NASDAQ at the New York 5-minute time frame. How to determine the bias. What is the entry model? I enter for value gaps. When I see displacement and for value gap, I wait for price to come back and to enter. Risk management, usually about 1 to 2, sometimes more if I'm really confident in the setup. I try to shoot 1 to 3, but sometimes I take profit too early if it's a good amount. Stop loss below an order block, and loss protocol. If I take a loss, I try to stay calm and wait for the next setups. Some rules, only trade New York session. And let's just see, based on the trade mentor we created, let's see what the trade mentor is now going to give us. Before we go into the answer, make sure to rename this chat to trade plan. And let's see what the mentor gave us. Bias determination, a C. Bullish on the day. Look for longs. Is the rule, it's a vibe. What makes it bullish? Also entry criteria for value gap displacement. But you have no filter for which for value gap. So it's too vague. Risk management, a D. 1-2%, sometimes more if I'm really confident. Of course, also too vague. It's very dangerous because confidence is not a risk. Confidence is a feeling. And we need to be very clear in what we want to see and what we don't want to see. Stop loss placement, a B. Take profit rules, a D. So this is not a very strong trade plan. That is not a problem, but we need to fix that. So overall, if we go through all of this, it's a 3 out of 10. The top 3 fixes ranked by cost. Fix your risk sizing, remove the sometimes, build a real loss protocol, and make your take profit levels mechanical. I think there's even more to this. What we now can do, and here comes the magic from using AI, you can say, remake this trade plan to make it A+. Give me a list of questions I need to answer in order for you to make this A+ based on my current trade knowledge. The reason why I ask AI to ask me questions is AI doesn't know exactly what you like to see, the IST concept. It can extract it from the internet, but it's just not clear enough. So you can give it the information. So bias, entry criteria, risk management, there's many different questions here you need to answer. We're not going to do this live on the video, but we need to give this to the AI. And then when you have that, it's already said you don't need to be perfect. It needs to be good enough so we can literally improve every single thing. And there is where a real mentor comes in. Because if you have so many questions, and for example, you're not sure about, does the 1 hour need to agree with the daily or can it override? What's the rule when there's conflict? If you're not sure and your knowledge is not on that level, you can or ask AI again, or you use, of course, your real mentor, or you go to my Discord and you just ping me and ask me that question, or you join one of the live streams and ask me that question. And because I don't want to make this video 3 hours long, I say for my demo video, assume I gave you answer to all the 24 questions. Give me now the improved trade plan. And then it gives it. The daily bias is clear. The entry criteria are clear. The risk management is clear. Fixed risk, max daily loss. And if you don't agree with this or you don't like certain parts of this improved trade plan, give feedback and go back and forth with your AI. And the biggest tip I can give you after working with hundreds of hours with Claude is to let it ask questions. Don't assume it knows everything. Assume it's very dumb and you just need to give it information over time. And the reason why we work in a project, the Trade Mentor project, is it can extract all the different chats from the project itself. So now we have a trade plan mentor. If we now start a new chat, it is able to go into this chat as well to see its history. Give me a PDF that I can send to my mentor with this trade plan for review. And then we'll create a very nice PDF for you. And now it created a bulletproof trade plan for you with all the different rules, different criteria. And now you're ready to use this to start taking actual trades. Before we dive into the next part of the AI mentor, if you want the prompts, the structures, and this whole mentorship for absolutely free, make sure you check out the Discord, links inside the description. Now it's time to let our AI mentor analyze our journal. And I have another prompt I want to share with you, and that's the following. You are a trading performance analyst. I'm going to give you my trading journal entries from the past week. Analyze them for patterns I cannot see myself. Specifically look for risk management consistency, take profit behavior, emotional patterns, rule violations, and revenge trading signals. Be brutally honest, give me the patterns, not like sugarcoating stuff. And with the one thing I should fix this week, what would have the biggest impact on my profit and loss? Because if you have just one or two things you can focus on, you can improve very intentionally. And then you can copy paste, you can do screenshots on TradingView, or you copy paste your own journal in this. For this video, I made some dummy entries. Trade 1, trade 2, trade 3, and you see that every trade is journaled according to a setup, entry, risk, results, emotions, and the trade plan followed. That's how you should journal. And then when you put all your trades in, you can just copy paste in Excel, you can copy paste your Notion, you can copy paste your TradeZella, whatever you now use for your journaling, just put it in here. And the more you give it, the better. Also, we're going to rename this to journal review. And it's now analyzing the journal. So already a pattern, there's a risk management consistency. You blew risk 2 out of 5 trades and both were losses. So here your planned risk was not the same as the actual risk 2 times. So there's a widened stop that says a lot. You lost more than the plan allowed for. Justification was identical. I know this going higher. So there's stubbornness. And that means, of course, you're emotionally attached to being right. You struggle losing. Your ego stands in the way from accepting losses. And this is nice because we can use this pattern later to fix mental issues. Take profit behavior. You cut every single winner short. Every time before full TP, you already give up here 35%, 50%. So you never once let a winner reach TP. And what happens is because you never let your winners ride, that your losses will become bigger over time than your actual wins and you will not make any money. So emotional patterns, your best execution when you're rested, you suffer from frustration or rush, you need a win, and you have a very big pressure to end the day in the green. And it makes a whole report from your journal entry. And then the one thing to fix, stop manually managing trades once they are live. If you've seen the previous episodes from this futures mentorship, you've seen that the cognitive dissonance, that voice in your head that talks you out of a trade, is exactly what also the trade mentor here shows as the biggest fix. And to give you a little secret, for 90% of traders, this is what stops them from becoming profitable. So now we have the trade mentor that can analyze our trade plan. Even if we want to change it, we can put in our journal. So every week you go back to your journal, say, hey, I took these trades this week. And then you just copy paste your journal entries. And then week by week, it trains itself. So it can literally say to you, hey, 3 weeks ago, you did this amazing. And now you don't do it anymore. Please do more of that. Do more of what's working while removing anything that's slowing you down, right? That's how growth in your trading comes. So you keep doing that consistently. And the third and final thing you need to have in your AI mentor is the accountability partner. So I have another prompt for you, which again, I will share inside my free Discord. You are my trading accountability partner based on the following pre-session check-in. Assess my readiness to trade today. Give me risk levels green, yellow, and red. Explain why in 2-3 sentences, be direct. Here's my check-in. And then you're just going to say, how do you feel? And I like to use a 5-part system where we have sleep, we have the physical state, emotional state, we have the motivation to trade today, and we have the external stress. And again, these are all prompts I share in my AI mentor PDF that is inside the free Discord. So check in for Monday, not a lot of sleep, very tired, frustrated. So I think we can already assess what the trade mentor is most likely going to say. So trading accountability partner, let's see. Then we can rename it to accountability partner plus mental or psychology. And it says, do not trade today. How nice is that? And of course, when you do this already, check in with yourself. And a very nice tip, I want to reward you for staying until the end. You can also not type, but speak. Hey, Claude, I'm going to do my pre-session check-in right now. My sleep was horrible. My physical state is not good. My emotional state is okay. I don't have a lot of motivation and I have very big external stress. Please tell me what I need to do today. See how fast this was? Just talk to Claude. And it says, do nothing and do this instead. Do nothing, deal with whatever the external stressor was, prioritize rest, and recheck in tomorrow. A normal mentor would probably say the same, right? See how cool this is. So we built our Trade Mentor in Claude project. It's a free account. What you will see if you use it a lot, that at some point it says, hey, you don't have any credits, so you need to upgrade. It's only like $20. And I think it's a very nice investment to only spend $20 on AI mentor, trade plan, journal review, accountability partner. So what you just saw is not some trading bot or cool algorithm. It's not an indicator. It is AI accelerating your trade growth. It's focused on the stuff that actually makes you money. Your trade plan, your data, and your psychology. It's not the technicals. And you can literally set this up in under 10 minutes. I put all the prompts in my AI Mentor PDF, which you can just download today and start setting this up before the next trade session starts. If you want a part 2 where I go even deeper into how to train AI to make your trading better, make sure you share in the comments if you want a part 2. So I will create a massive breakdown, step by step, how to create the prompts, how to train your AI, and how you can use it step by step to make your trading so strong. And here you have it, episode 18 in the data building layer of the trader pyramid. If you got value from this video, make sure you like it, share it with a trading friend who really needs to use this AI stuff, and make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on to not miss out on any of the 35 episodes here in this Futures Mentorship. If you want a part 2, make sure you let me know in the comments below. The next video will now appear on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.